Hi guys, welcome back.
I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of haul that I did at Bath and Bodyworks. I got some drugstore makeup and I kind of want to try it on so you guys can see it. And I got some cute little things at the 99-cent only store that I've been waiting to use. Anyways, let's get started on the video. Let's should start with the big
Things first. And I'm going to tell you, I did not get the typical of
Bath and Body Works. And when I walked in, it was these flowers that I saw, and I was like, I want them. One thing that totally caught my attention.
And I'm not the one to
Be shy to tell you guys how much I paid for stuff because I like deals.
This one was originally 1950. So it's called a regular floral bunch assorted. So I paid $3.50 for this, guys. It was 75% off. $3.50, super cute. I just have to find a base for it. And it is adorable. But I loved it.
I think it is the thing that drew me in. Like, I was like, oh, it's so cute. And then the guy that worked there was like, oh, yeah, it's like 75% off. And this was another one that caught my attention, and I freaking loved it. Oh, my God, guys. Look at how cute this is.
I like the simple look of it, you know. It's so cute and chic, you know, and so simple. Like, you just place it there and there you go. It's done. But this one was also, originally it was,
oh my God, $39.50. So it was 75% off. I ended up paying $7.11 for it. So that's not bad. Not too bad for this. It's cute. I love the flowers. I love that they're white. And here's my other flowers. So yeah, totally random. Not what you usually go to Bath and Body Works for. So that's that for that one. So this is the other stuff that I got that you do usually get at Bath Garden.
and so champagne toast. It smells so good. And then a lot of these little soaps were just on sale, and I just think they're
So cute, you know, like I just want to
have one in like every bathroom.
just have them
for guests when I have guests over.
I got one Casablanca lily wallflower. The little wallflower. We only have one.
Must have paid like, let's see, I'll take a look. $6.50, and I got this one for $2.52. And then I have Sweet Pea body lotions. They smell so yummy.
I forgot I had all this stuff. Oh my God, what am I doing with my life? These are
Originally $6, and I got them for $1. So yeah, not the typical or their known scents, but come on, what are you gonna pay like $1 for these things somewhere else, and they're like really good smelling stuff. So like I said, I'm just gonna put these in like my their shower gels in
my guest bathroom.
I went
To the 99-cent only store for my last video, and I got one of these little cute Hello Sunshine
pineapples. It's a phone case.
I don't change my case very often.
Try to see if it fits.
Sorry.
So this is the other one. How cute.
What is this? And so my other haul, my little mini haul. The other one wasn't haul. I just wanted to show you guys the pieces.
The other one is makeup primer. So that's the one I had before, and I'm running out. I feel like it makes my face look really dewy and soft. And this is the foundation that I use. I have Infallible Pro Lock. Like, it looks good. See?
So I used to do the matte.
3 years. It's been very, very dry. So I stopped using the matte. It actually makes my skin look very, very good. Like, not as dry, and I like it.
Highlighting too. So
Highlighter powder. So I got this
Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. I think it's
really cute. I've heard great things about it. It looks very bright and shiny. Let's see. Ooh, that's cute. I had 50% off that one too. I wanted to try
different blush. So I got the Maybelline
Fit Me. I have 2 of them.
I bought 2 of them.
I wanted to try something not so bronzy looking, because I got the peach hot talking about peach. And then this one's called mauve. Put them up close. Here, I'm gonna open them. And oh man! You ever do that to your makeup with your nails? Let me see if it focuses. There you go. So this is more pink. This is more peach. That's the peach one here that I just stabbed my nail into. I hate that. So anyways, we'll have to try those. I'm excited about these. I got a, what is this? Rimmel London Stay Satin Lip Color. So I needed something kind of reddish like that. Let's try these on. Kind of excited. This one I'm taking off is the Urban Decay color. I'm gonna do these first. I'm gonna do the nude first. So cute. You know, for when you got a crazy eye. I'm gonna like come up close. That's not bad. So that's that one. And then, oh, it's kind of like the same shade as the. And then this one's the 104 shade. One more pink to it. Still subtle. They're soft. I like that. Let's do a lip stain. Oh my god. Bright. Very bright. So there you go. I'm trying to do my makeup with my baby holding on to me. So that's rough. Oh, hi, my baby. Say hi. Say hello. You're not camera shy, are you? Look it. There's formula all over his face. Hi, my baby. What are you looking at, mommy's lipstick? Mama, mama. Mama, mama, mama. He's crazy. He got into his formula milk, so that's what's on his face. We need to clean him up. He's intrigued by mama's lipstick. Huh, Bubba? Say hi. Hi, everybody. Say hi. My name is Aiden, and I like to get into trouble. Alright, guys, so that was it. I know it's a short video, but I just want to show you guys everything that I got at Bed Bath & Beyond, and the cute little things I got as far as makeup. I'll have to do like only makeup haul. I think that would be fun to do. I'll let you guys go because I got a little one crawling at me. I know. I gotta go, you guys. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe. Bye, girlies. Say bye.